When your friends look at you and say, what's wrong with you? And sometimes they try to make fun of you. Just stare them in the face and tell them, I've been changed. See, on my job, I had to tell my wife a week ago, it gets difficult sometimes. When folk come in, call you all kind of NFs and everything. Because they didn't know back in the day I would have changed that somewhere. Come on. Because I was notorious for carrying pistols all the time. So sometimes folk come in and they say things that hurt my feelings. And because I've been changed, I don't cuss at them. Sometimes I go in the bathroom and sometimes I sit in there and I just cry. And ask God how much more, why I always got to bite my tongue. Why can't I say what I want to say? Why can't I do what I want to do? And I hear the Holy Spirit when He walks in there with me and He begins to whisper in my ear, you can't do it, you can say. You ain't no ex-con. Because whom the Son free is free indeed. When they look at your past on the application, you can tell that's an old fella. But this is Will Bush, the one that's been washed in the blood of the Lamb. Don't let nobody tell you that you a wet smoker. You ain't that same person no more. Because if any man be in Christ, be a new creature. When the enemy starts talking to you, don't just sit there and let him stress with you. Just start quoting scripture to him. And just, I am a child of God. I know I messed up. I know I did some things that had no business. Wait a minute. Now if you're in this room right now, you think about where God has brought you from. I think about had it not been for Him on your side. And then you begin to just give it, but God. Come on, just but God. And now I want you to give God your best praise right now. Come on and talk to me. Some of y'all know you shouldn't be here right now. Some of you should be locked up in a mental institution. Some of y'all shouldn't even have your children, but God this evening. Come on, y'all, and just say thank you, Jesus. Some of you are struggling with some things right now. You're trying to figure out how you're going to make it. God told me to tell somebody, your deliverance and your healing is in your praise. Somebody come up and just get out of that praise. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, Jesus. If God really done something, you really don't have to have the music to get your praise on. If you bring it up for God,